There's a type of algorithm that rewards our engagement with these narratives. So we can unconsciously adopt these narratives just because the algorithm rewards it. And for people who are making money online, we can get rewarded. And this is how it's so easy to get into mimic. And I saw this so clearly in 2020. I know those of you who are paying attention, you saw this too, which was that all of a sudden it was like something just took over and everybody was mimicking, including me. I felt persuaded to post certain things or say certain things. And then I realized quickly, ew, this feels absolutely disgusting and manipulated. And they're taking something that is sacred and should matter and they're exploiting it. And this is when I really began to see, okay, there's something way deeper going on. 2020 is actually when I started doing more of a deep dive into mass hypnosis and algorithms and how social media literally can hypnotize people into doing the bidding of others. And usually, always, it's the bidding of lack. Another thing is speaking from wholeness and not wound baiting. And this happens a lot online. So a lot of content creators are taught to speak from the wound, like speak to the wound, let people know where the wound is, how it's wounded, or speak to the problem. This is the problem, and this is how we solve it. But instead, to speak to the healed self. Call in the visionary, not the victim. This is key. Call in the visionary, not the victim. That's how we exponentiate, not by just amplifying the problem more and more. We know what the problem is. There's plenty of information about what the problem is. We need to know what the solution is. And we need to speak from that whole place, not constantly from the broken place. And we see this online too. There's a lot of well-intentioned content out there to help people who struggle with certain things, but often the struggle itself becomes the identity. And the victim mentality really can begin to be even a whole online personality that we make money from. So we're not speaking to the whole self. And that is why it's so anomalous to create outside that.